Hey, it's Sam here from Kitchen Gadgets Club and the voice behind the popular Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. In today's instalment of showing you 30 days of 15-in-1 recipes, today is one of my favourite, and it is steam roasting some baked potatoes, or jacket potatoes as you may call them. It's so simple to do and it's just a great way to put them onto the dinner table, and I just love doing them using this method. And of course it's also in our brand new multi-cooker cooking guide, which shows you the time and temps to so many different foods using this amazing gadget. I have baking potatoes at the ready. Kyle kindly nipped out and got me some so that I can test it for you today and just show you mainly about the noise, and also that it's one of those great learning recipes for when you've just got a Ninja Foodi. And all you really need is, like if you're doing baked potatoes normally, your baking potatoes, some olive oil for crisping up the skin, some salt for the skin, and then of course some water. The reasoning for the water is because it's steam roasting. Any that have got the word steam in front or pressure cook in front, they do actually require the equivalent of a cup, sometimes a cup and a half, which is between 240 and 360 ml, depending on the recipe. So we always need some of that to get started with it. So let's get these potatoes open, and I can show you why I use this plate. And you know, we do have some other recipes using the same plate. I think I've got a thing for this plate. Anyway, what's brilliant is to get a large dinner plate like this one. I'm only doing 4 here. I think there's 5 in this pack. To get a large dinner plate like this, because then you can season and then you can use your plate as your prep area. It's just brilliant for it. And of course you can start by forking your potatoes like you would if you were doing them in the microwave or in the oven. It's just a similar method. So the steaming is like what you achieve normally in the microwave, and the roasting is what you would do in the oven or the air fryer. So it's like another way of combining them. So once you've done that, olive oil. I don't have much left in this bottle, so I'm just going to use it all. And then plenty of salt. Rock salt flakes are brilliant on your jacket potatoes. And then once you've done all that, it's just rolling it all around on the plate. So you're getting the salt and you're getting the olive oil. Olive oil in the air fryer gives the best crisp over any of the different fats, so that's why we always use olive oil, and plus it's good for you. So we're going to get the 15-in-1 out now. We're going to start pouring in the water, getting the air fry basket in, and then we can show you how to steam roast. So we've got the cooking pot out. I've got my water, so let's get started, shall we? So we're going with 1.5 cups here, which is 360 ml. Add in your air fry basket, and then we're ready to add in these beauties. So you're ready to see what they're real like. So pop your potatoes in, and then we can get the lid down and get them on. And remember, we're using our new multi-cooker time and temp chart for this. So 40 minutes on steam roast, and don't forget to pre-order yourself a copy, because it's just so useful when learning how to use the Ninja Foodi and similar brands. And then as you're looking at it, you are looking for the steam roast setting, which is in the middle section here where you've got all the steam ones, and steam roast. And you're looking for a temperature of 180 Celsius, that's 360 Fahrenheit, and a cook time of 40 minutes, and then press start. You'll have to adjust this depending on the size of your baked potato. So if yours are really large, I would add an extra 10 minutes, and you can always add a little bit of extra time if you want at the end, if they're a little bit under, because we all have different sizes, don't we?
When you first got a multi-cooker, it's so hard understanding the times and temps and getting the food spot on and cooked perfectly. That's why we've made for you the multi-cooker cooking guide. It features all the main functions of the multi-cooker, from dehydrate to grill to steam roast to steam air fry, pressure cooking, and of course simple everyday air frying. It's perfect for lots of different types of multi-cookers, from Instant Pot users to Ninja Foodi users, Ninja Speedy, air fryer. Even if you've got a flex straw, it's just perfect for so many of them. You'll find the link below in the description and you can pre-order it now. And now let's get back to the video.
So I've allowed the jacket potatoes or baked potatoes, depending on where you live, to cool. One of us couldn't wait, so we had one of them already. So there's 3 left, so I can show you what they're like. And then if you just slice into them, you'll be able to see just how gorgeous and amazing they are. I mean, oh, look at that. Doesn't that look fantastic? So fluffy, and the skin is so lovely as well. So grab yourself a knife, your favourite spread of choice. Ours is, I think it's low pack. Oh, and then look at that, doesn't that look fabulous? Oh, it's just so nice. And look at the skin, isn't that skin absolutely amazing? I just can't get over how good it is. And then if you compared it to normally, if I was normally using the Ninja Foodi, because I don't have a steam roast on my 9-in-1, I would normally pressure cook and then air fry. But it's so nice that both can be done together in just a 40-minute cook time. And of course, I hope you enjoyed this video, and it's part of our series of getting to know the Ninja Foodi 15-in-1. That of course many of these recipes will work across lots of different Ninja Foodis and multi-cookers, so I hope you follow along and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thanks so much for watching our YouTube video. It feels so amazing that you've stuck around to the end. And of course, that must mean that you like our videos. So why not also follow us on social media? You can find us at the Kitchen Gadgets Club on Facebook and on Pinterest, TikTok. We're Kitchen Gadgets Club. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great videos like this one. And you can also find us at kitchengadgetsclub.com, where we have a membership that shares brand new kitchen gadget recipes every week. And we also have lots of great ideas, resources, tips and tricks. And we are an ovenless kitchen, so we teach you exclusively how to cook with kitchen gadgets. And a ciao for now.